Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Thirsty Thursday, so it's happy hour. It is time for a drink. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love having a few drinks, but most importantly, you love helping out a good cause, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the details in the description below. All right, so I thought today we would do another Boozy Milkshake. One of my most popular videos is a Boozy Milkshake with Bailey's strawberry and cream. So I thought that was a lot of fun and I Googled for some more recipes. So I ran across one that was a Moscato milkshake. So that's what we're gonna make today. But I also ran across some that were like Merlot and that sort of thing. So if you like a different type of wine, Google, because there are lots of recipes out there. But I did have some Moscato on hand. This is sparkling, so I'm not sure if this is what I'm supposed to be using, but it's what I had on hand, so it's what we're using today. Now, this recipe called for 2 quarts of ice cream. I don't even know if all that would fit in my blender. But that's like almost, no, I think it might even be more than this whole container. And I thought, what if I don't like it? I don't want to waste all my ice cream. So I halved this recipe. So feel free to double this recipe if you want. All right, so the first thing I need to do is try to figure out how to get this off of here. This might take a long time. Maybe I should have had my husband open this for me before he left. So it looks like we untwist this. All right, so this part comes off, I suppose. Now we just have to get this part out. It wish me luck. Ooh. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Okay, so I need to get a cup out of here. Just called for a cup of wine. But because I halved it, we're only going to put a half a cup of wine in here. So somebody's going to have to drink the rest of what's in here. Guess who that's going to be? So it doesn't seem like a whole lot of wine, you know, for a Boozy Milkshake, right? But it also called for 4 ounces of vodka. So we just need 2 since we halved it. Or a little more than half. Also called for 1.5 cups of raspberries. So I have 3/4 of a cup of some fresh raspberries. And then I'm going to dump in half of my ice cream and pray that I like this milkshake, because the last thing I want to do is waste my ice cream. So I let it sit out just a little bit so I could soften it. And I think that's good. Well, hopefully it'll be a nice, pretty pink color with those raspberries in there. Maybe I'll throw just a little bit of extra in there. All right. So I have this set to my smoothie setting. So I'm going to go ahead, push the button, and we'll give this a whirl. All right, I think it's done. So we'll go ahead and pour it in our glass. Let's smell it. It smells like fresh raspberries. It smells like fresh berries, I should say. If I was just going to smell that, I don't know that I'd know it was raspberries. I might guess it's strawberry. Boy, it is a pretty color though, isn't it? It looks good. Right at first, I didn't think I was going to like it, but it's really good. It is really good. I thought when I first took a drink that I was going to get like a big gulp of like alcohol in there. I could like, I don't know if I was smelling it or what, but I wasn't smelling it. But like whenever you first take a drink, you can tell there's alcohol in there. But then as it goes down, you don't really taste the alcohol at all. So I don't know if there's enough alcohol in here you could get drunk or anything, but it certainly does taste good. As a matter of fact, I think I like this one better than the strawberry one that we did with the Baileys. So if you haven't had a chance to check that one out, though, I will post that in the description below as right here. So definitely check that out. Give this one a try, though. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.